Hi there. I am Sharon Tinberg, creator of Clean Smart Academy. We train trainers how to train cleaners and cleaners how to clean a home perfectly every single time. And I do mean perfectly. We use strategic steps and animated characters to engage your cleaners to learn the steps. The professor and Bella Bright will guide them through each one of the cleaning processes until they can go out on their own and clean a home. Which leads me to my question for you today. Are you paying two people to do a job that should only take one? If you're still relying on the outdated method of training, where the new cleaner watches a senior cleaner perform a task, then mimics that task while being supervised, it's time to take a paradigm shift. Imagine the efficiency of having a new hire learn everything they need to know before they ever step foot in a client's home. No more wasting time and resources on double staffing for training. With the Clean Smart system, your new cleaners can master essential cleaning techniques on their very own, cutting out the need for on-the-job shadowing. But let's be clear, this shift only works if you have a strategic, documented process in place for cleaning each area of a home, supported by procedures that define your tools, your products, and your actions that your cleaners need to follow at your company. That's where CleanSmart enters the picture. Our system offers an in-depth training program that takes just 2 to 2.5 hours per module, focusing on the three key areas of bathrooms, kitchens, and dusting. After learning the techniques in your office, your trainee can head right into the field and immediately start applying what they've learned, with the trainer only watching them and only correcting them when necessary, saving you time, money, and freeing up your senior staff to focus on other high priority tasks. So why make the shift, the big paradigm shift? Because the benefits of adopting the Clean Smart system are massive. Obviously, and first and foremost, is you save a lot of time and money. No more paying two people to do the job of one. Your cleaners will be fully prepared when they step into a home. Most likely, your trainer will not need to watch them clean more than one bathroom. They will improve quality and consistency. A documented process ensures that every home is consistently clean to your high standards every single time. It boosts morale, empowering your cleaners with a right cleaning process boosts their confidence and job satisfaction, which in turn reduces cleaner and client attrition. Happy, well-trained cleaners stay longer, and satisfied clients stay loyal. It will fuel your company growth like nothing else in 2025. Efficient training means scaling your business becomes easier and more profitable, and we all know that. I understand that shifting to 90% in-office training can feel overwhelming. Initially, I was going to compare this paradigm shift to adopting to new scheduling software, but I have an example that hits even closer to home. I will never forget standing in front of 100 people at an ARCSI convention debating with Sharon Cohen about the best way to give quotes. Sharon is an expert in in-home quoting. She presented her case, while I advocated for phone quotes, a method that I relied on since my business in 1988 began. We were poor and we needed clients. So indeed, in all 20 years, I never conducted more than one in-house quote. In those early days, I sat on the phone nights selling clients. I sold 70 repeat clients over the phone in our first 90 days of operation. So at that convention, not one company in the room had used phone sales, and many pushed back. They questioned whether or not it could really work. Was I really telling the truth? But I was asked to speak there for a reason. By 2008, my cleaning service was generating $1.98 million in revenue a year, billing at $28.50 an hour. We never had time for a one-time cleaning. It was all repeat clients, and we had 754 repeat clients. It took nearly 8 years for most cleaning companies to feel comfortable making the shift to sales. And today, many have even embraced online scheduling, a change that COVID-19 obviously accelerated. Just like that paradigm shift, this system is designed to make your business run smoothly, profitably, and efficiently in the long term. Yes, it takes some time upfront, some effort, but the return on the investment is undeniable. Implementing in-office cleaner training will require you to input your specific cleaning processes into the system, just like any software, and then train your team how to use it effectively, just like any software. But once you do, you'll experience the highest return on any investment you've ever made for your company. So take the leap to smarter training today. We'd love an opportunity to show you our training system and how it works. We'll show you the animated characters and the editable manual. We'll even walk you through the implementation process so you realize how easy it is, how effective it is. And if you prefer, to see it for yourself, go ahead and go to our website, www.cleansmartacademy.com, and order the free trial for 5 days. You'll be able to see for yourself as you watch more how engaging and effective animated video trainings can be. So thanks for your time. See you next time. And until then, happy cleaning.